Pop, bro.
Say pop. Like, you know you gotta do the deuce, right?
Yeah. You gotta do the deuce, bro.
Hold up.
You gotta do the deuce.
You gotta do the deuce. Pop. Pop. Say pop. Not 6 deuce, nigga.
That's 15, bro.
Oh,
That is. Well, give me 20. You know what I'm saying? Pop, look.
Yes, sir.
Pop hot in the bitch. He still don't know that I know he got deuce
You
deuce.
gotta do the deuce, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta do the deuce.
Hey, fool.
But I'm gonna get 20 right here. You know what I'm saying? Right here.
Y'all niggas tripping, bro.
That ain't 20. Yes, it is.
Bullshit. Tell me that ain't
Man,
20.
you got 40 already?
Yeah, I'm whooping their ass.
Flip double, fool. Y'all niggas tripping, bro.
Pop.
That nigga powerful. I'm high, nigga. I know I'm high, nigga. Why you know Bob Marley step through the door, nigga? You know?
Hey, he chilling with Bob Marley. I'm up at the Tupac and Biggie concert.
He's like, no, you know.
Sipping Moet and shit. With all the bad bitches.
We done started smoking the weed without the nigga, but he be here shortly, shit. That's what I was talking about. Man. I'm just sitting there waiting for the nigga. Waiting in line, nigga.
You know what?
He rode the short bus when he was little.
You know, bitch, you got a top.
That's why you got. He's homo.
Hey, this nigga here? He's homo.
Hell no.
Hell yeah. Hey, look at him. He's trying to grab the camera and shit.
What the fuck? That made me homo. You see this nigga right here, though? This shit right here, nigga? PJ does not have lots and lots of ketchup.
See, what type of nigga eats lots and lots of ketchup? Homo ass nigga.
Like French fries. What bitch? Okay, what kind of nigga eats 7 hot dogs in one night?
What?
Just last night, nigga. You had how many hot dogs?
I ain't even had hot dogs last night.
Yes, the fuck you did.
Pop, did I have hot dogs last night?
Okay, scratch the bread. He had a wing and barbecue sauce.
No.
No, nigga, don't lie. Don't lie. That's all you, KP? It's not even on your face. The camera's not even on your face.
Damn, crazy.
That was stupid.